Good morning, children. Today, let us learn about the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, that is KSA. It is also called the land of sand. Sand is a vast area, or desert is a vast sandy area with less vegetation and very little rainfall. There are two types of deserts in the world. One is hot desert, another one is cold desert. In India, we have hot desert that is known as Rajasthan desert and cold desert that is the Ladakh. And let us learn about Saudi Arabia, which is the part of the Arabian desert. The Saudi Arabia or the KSA, it is surrounded by three seas. On the eastern part, see this one. This is Persian Gulf. And in the southern part of Saudi Arabia, there is the Arabian Sea. Or on the western part here, this is known as the Red Sea. If a land is surrounded by water on three sides, that is called a peninsula. So Saudi Arabia is an example for a peninsula. It is located in the continent of Asia. There are so many imaginary lines are there. Through the center of the earth, the equator is passing. So Saudi Arabia is located in the northern hemisphere, little away from the equator. The imaginary line, Tropic of Cancer, this line, this is passing through Saudi Arabia. This is called the Tropic of Cancer. And the capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh, which is located almost at the center of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. It's the capital, very beautiful city. It is a vast rocky plateau, which is generally covered with sand. Once upon a time, there were so many rivers, now all dried. But the dried rivers in Saudi Arabia are known as wadis. Now there is no river in KSA. It is surrounded by so many Gulf countries. Let us see which are the neighboring countries of Saudi Arabia. In the south, there is Yemen, this one. And the anti-clockwise, if you go here, there is Oman, then UAE, very small, United Arab Empire, UAE. And this one is Qatar, this blue. And this small pink, this is Kuwait, another neighboring country of Saudi Arabia, and Iraq. And the last one is Jordan. And Egypt is not a part of, not the neighboring country of Saudi Arabia because it is separated by the Red Sea. It is extremely hot and dry. In summer, it is a horrible climate. The temperature will go up to 54 degrees Celsius. As we discussed earlier, there is no rainfall. So, generally in the atmosphere, it is a dry climate. But in summer, there is dust storms. And dust storms blow at a great speed. It continues almost 2-3 months. Generally, in the month of July, August, September, there is summer. In summer, there is a dust storm. In India, we have Lu. Same way, there is a dust storms. Now, which are the important vegetation? We know it is a part of desert, so very few plants are found. But the plants that are found in desert, they have long roots and thorns. and the leaves are thick. The most important useful tree found in Saudi Arabia is palm trees. These are some of the famous vegetation found in Saudi Arabia. This beautiful flower, this is called desert rose. And this one, this is cactus. Different types of cactus. Some are poisonous. If you prick, it will cause so much problem to human being. Then date palm trees, say date fruits. The high quality date fruits are produced in Saudi Arabia. This is the most useful tree found in Saudi Arabia. This is another orchard. Oasis. In a desert where there is water, there grow a few plants. And because of this, the small spot is looking like green. So greenish spot found in a desert is called an oasis. What is an oasis? In a desert where there is water, there grow a few plants like date trees or date palm trees, cactus, and some other different types of palm trees. And look the area green. This greenish region, small region, or small spot in a desert is called an oasis. This is oasis. The plural of oasis is oasis. Different types of, this is one oasis, this is another oasis. Here, water source is this one. The water source in the desert or where oasis is found, that is the spring. There can be small lakes. Then another beautiful oasis, this one. This is somewhat vast. This is another oasis. Then important animals. All types of animals are not found that we find in India. The animal which can live without water and food for many days are found. Most useful and big animal found in Saudi Arabia is the camel. Camel is able to survive because it has padded feet. It can live without water for many days. It can store water, more than 100 liters of water in its stomach. And the fat is stored in the ham. So with that, it can live for almost 34 days, almost a month. That is why the Arab people travel on camel, because its feet will not bury in the desert or in the sandy area. Then desert animals, another one. Scorpion, very dangerous. Scorpion color and the sand color is matching. So sometimes those who are walking along sand, they are stung by scorpion. These scorpions are very highly poisonous. Then desert viper, they also hide inside the desert. These are important points. Let us revise. Saudi Arabia is located in the continent of Asia. It has hot and dry climate. Dry means water vapor or humidity is very less. Very few plants are found in KSA. KSA means Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Most important animal is camel. Dust storms are common in Saudi Arabia. Some questions for you. Which is the capital of Saudi Arabia? Second question. Name any 5 neighboring countries of Saudi Arabia. Third question. What is and oasis. Last question. Which tree is common in KSA, or which is the most useful common tree found in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia? Okay, thank you very much.